Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mullah with you here today. Today I'm here to show you the Dell Inspiron 13 7000 series 2-in-1 laptop. This is in silver and it is model number 7386. It features a 13.3 inch full HD touch display. An optional active pen is available, but that's a separate purchase, so not included in the box. We've also got Intel 8th generation i5 8265U processor. This comes with 8 gigabytes memory and 256 gigabyte solid state drive. It uses integrated Intel UHD graphics and it comes loaded with Windows 10 and the trial version of McAfee Live Safe. I don't like McAfee. I don't know about you, but I don't like it. So let's get out of this ugly brown box and see what we got inside. First thing we get is a power cord. This is a 3-prong power cord with the Mickey Mouse attachment for your brick. Next we've got the brick. There's the other end of the Mickey Mouse attachment, and this is the end that goes into your Inspiron 13. Some cardboard. We'll save the laptop for next. More cardboard. All done with that. Bye-bye. And we got some paperwork. So the first thing we've got is the Inspiron 13 7000 Quick Start Guide. Comes in picture form. Pictograph, the earliest form of language. That way, they don't have to do it in 1,000 different languages for a worldwide company. Pretty smart. Emojis are taking us back to pictographs anyway, right? Okay, next we've got the warranty, safety, and regulatory information. Yep. Okay, so that's it. There's not a lot of accessories that come with this in the box. You got 2 pieces of paperwork, a power cord, and the laptop itself. All right, so we get it out of the wrapper. This is made of aluminum. I think it looks pretty sharp, even though it's just plain silver aluminum. It's got the Dell logo imprinted right here. And we've got, this right here is the fan. Here you've got speakers on the sides. The Inspiron logo is stamped on the back, along with all the serial number and stuff like that on the bottom. So if we open it up,
and to top it all off,
you get to see it before I do. How does it look? It looks like maybe 1/4 inch bezel. Got the webcam here. There's no cover on the webcam. Some of them have a physical cover, like a slide, that you can slide it to open it or close it. We've got 2 hinges, and we've got a fingerprint reader to log on. And so this looks like a brushed aluminum. The mouse pad here is similar shade of aluminum, black keys. Here you can hear the keys. Nice spring to them. You have a removable sticker here that shows you that it's a convertible laptop, 13.3 inch full HD IPS touch display, 3-sided narrow borders, here, here, and here. Active pen support, multifunction USB Type-C, and this has Dell Cinema. I recently tested the HP Spectre, and that is also foldable. However, it's got a unique configuration to where when you have it in tablet mode, the keys are not on the bottom or where your hands are. The keys actually fold inward on that one, which I love. I've never been a big fan of having the keys on the bottom while I'm using it in tablet mode. It's not a big deal, I just feel like it's kind of rough on the keys, personally. But again, this is like a mid-range laptop, not one of the higher end, so you're not gonna get the cool extra features like that. This has a Core i5 processor, so it's not top end as far as specs go either. But again, if you're a student, this is probably gonna be just fine for you to be doing your research and taking notes in class and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and try it out, and I'll let you know what I think. Let me just show you the ports on the sides here. This is where the power cord goes, HDMI, USB Type-C. On the other side, USB, headphone jack, and SD card. Here are some additional vents in the back of the laptop. Here I'll show you how the fingerprint sensor works. Just a button push to turn it on. It's maybe 5 seconds or so to turn on, and just a tap of the finger and you're in. Now notice down here, see how this is all messed up? I've been having things like this going on a lot lately on this computer since I've been testing it, which is a little bit concerning. So I'm not really stressing it too much. So I'll go ahead and open up Steam, put it on the full screen. So I'm just going to try and pull up a trailer here so you can see how it looks. One thing that's interesting to me, whenever I'm on Steam and I try and make it full screen, it only brings up this little piece right here and the rest of the screen is black, and it's not the full picture. So it's like cropping the image. That doesn't happen on any other of my laptops, so I don't know what's going on with this. So as of right now, until I figure this out, if I can figure this out, I can't watch trailers on Steam on full screen. So let me go to YouTube. Go on YouTube and try and put it on full screen, there's no problem. So I don't know what the deal is with what's going on Steam. It's a 2-in-1 product. Shark says that this has 3 times more suction than the Shark Ion RV750. Alright, so that's just a little bit about the picture. I don't know if you noticed that too, when I X'd off of the screen it was sort of like a jitter. Not real crazy about that. So this comes with, as I said, it comes with Windows 10, it has Cortana built in. There is a microphone so you can speak to Cortana. The trackpad feels really nice. It's very receptive to touch. Here you can get a good look at the spaces around the edge of the screen. So it's a little bit wider on top than it is on the sides. And then the bottom is a lot of wasted space down here. That's probably 1.5 inches. So it'd be nice if they could have made better use of space. Not crazy about that. So I've had a few issues with, like what we saw with Steam and with the Windows kind of glitching up, freezing up a little bit. Not crazy about it not having a webcam cover. I like to keep that closed. I usually don't use my webcam at all, so I'd rather just have it covered up for privacy reasons. The extra space here down at the bottom of the screen is, I mean, you're going to expect to have some, but it seems rather large to me. The fact that in tablet mode, the keys are now down on the table. If I was at a Starbucks and there were some crumbs on the table, obviously I'd try and wipe that off before I put the laptop down, but still, you get the idea. You get stuff up in the keys and sliding it around on the table. Can't be the best for the keys. On the HP Spectre, the screen pops out and then the whole thing folds like this. So the keyboard stays where it's at on the HP Spectre. This pops forward and the back sort of bends in and folds over. So the screen is facing up, the keyboard's still facing up. There's a layer in between the two. It really works well, and you don't have the keyboard the buttons all getting smashed on the table. I have had a little bit of an issue at times with the fingerprint reader. Kind of have to put the finger on there a few times before it'll accept my fingerprint. The fan noise hasn't been too bad. It's there, but it's not too bad. It puts out some heat on the bottom, so if you've got it sitting on your lap, it's gonna get warm after a while, especially if you're using anything that's labor intensive for the laptop. So my overall opinion of this laptop, I've tried better, but they've also been much more expensive. We're talking like, you can't compare a $1,200 laptop with a $700 or $800 laptop and expect it to perform the same. So it's not the perfect laptop in my opinion, but will it get the job done for a student or for just light work or just for light personal use? Yeah, it will. And most of the time it runs really quickly. So if I had to rate this on my 3 Chihuahua scale, I'd probably rate it 2 out of 3 Chihuahuas. I think you may be able to get something in the same price range that you might like a little better. But it does have the 3 positions, 3 main positions. I mean, really, you can put it in any position you want, but it has the 3 main positions: the regular laptop position, the tent position, and the tablet position. So it's got that, it has that flexibility. There we've got that again, which is not cool. I don't know why PowerPoint is opening. I do like Dell as a company. I have a Dell XPS PC is my main computer that I really like. But like I said, this one, 2 out of 3 Chihuahuas. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. I've got lots of other videos of other cool tech gadgets that you might want to check out. You may even want to consider subscribing. Who knows? Go crazy. If you wouldn't mind, I would love it if you could click that like button. And yeah, subscribing is great. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and who knows, maybe one day I'll get there, and then maybe I can start doing some cool giveaways on some of my other videos. So again, thanks a lot. Got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And hey, if you like this Mars Hyperloop t-shirt, check that out down below as well. And I'll catch you on the next video. Welcome to my show. You are loved. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. You are a loved individual. Let's check it out.